Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial or like makeup video. I found this look on Pinterest and I fell in love with it, and I've also been in love with rhinestones and lashes, falsies, all of that. So I wanted to show you to do this like color eyeliner with a wing. You don't really need to know how to do makeup. It's super easy. So I hope that you guys really like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not following me on my social media yet, I'll give you all the links down below in the description box. I interact a lot more with Instagram, so definitely follow me there. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So for this look, I'm gonna be using the Nikita palette collaboration with Morphe, and I'm gonna start by taking this neon pink eyeshadow with a small flat brush. Just a little bit. I'm gonna tap it so we don't have any fallout, since I already did my foundation and concealer. And we're gonna start like tracing the wing on the eye. We can also clean up like any messes afterwards with some concealer. I usually like doing my eyeliner from like the middle to the wing or to the outside, but for this look, I'm gonna start from like the very inner corner. Now that we kind of have this outline, I'm gonna take ABG and then I'm gonna do some Mama Dragon over here, which is like a purplish shadow and a lilac eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do that to do kind of like the ombre for the wings, and I'm gonna start building it up and do the wing. So it looks like this so far. I'm going to try to go back with that light purple and blend it in pretty well, have a nice ombre. And so we have something like this now. You can see like there is a more definition of the different shades of purple. And now I'm gonna apply some mascara before adding some falsies. For the mascara, I'm using the Item Lash Smack Mascara. This is a lengthening mascara. And I'm gonna start by applying it on my upper lashes. And you can honestly just leave it like this with mascara, but I want a more dramatic look, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some falsies. Lashes, I'm gonna use the Cosmetic Looks lashes. This is the Looks style, and I'm using their liquid magnetic eyeliner to apply them. So I think it's so much easier than doing glue and less damaging and just everything better. So I'm gonna apply some of this into my eye very close to the lash line so that we don't erase the color eyeliner that we did, and then I'm gonna apply some of these lashes. Before applying any kind of lashes, make sure that you're measuring the lash onto your eye and make sure that to make sure that they actually fit your eye. Sometimes they come a little bigger if you have a smaller eye, so that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna make sure that this matches my eye and the length is correct. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit just so that it's sticky, and that's when I apply the lashes. If you have a lash tracer that helps you apply lashes, then this step will be a lot easier. If not, you can just do it with your fingers, which is what I usually do. It's not so hard. Start by applying the outer corner, and then I fix the inner corner. And that's one of the first lashes already applied. I'm going to do the other eye as well. And this is how it looks with the lashes. I'm going to do a little close-up so you can see with the eyeliner. You can still see the eyeliner and the lashes, and it looks very dramatic and super cute. Now that this is done, I'm going to apply some of the neon eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And clean up some of the fallow with my beauty sponge. Now my favorite part, we're gonna add some rhinestones. I love doing this to my looks. You can choose whether to do like some pearls or like some stars. I'm just gonna add some tiny pearls to my look, kind of like guiding the wing of the eyeliner. And you can add as many as you want. I think I'm gonna add 4 little pearls. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. The last thing that I do want to do is add some mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm also gonna finish up the face. I'm gonna add some contouring with the Fenty Beauty Truffle Stick. And for blush, of course, my ultimate favorite, the California blush. And that's pretty much it for this look. I think it's very cute while also dramatic and very girly. So I hope that you guys like it a lot, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on the button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. I would love to have you be part of this community, and let me know in the comments down below what other kind of videos you would like me to do. If you want to see more nail art kind of videos, this is the last design that I did, so if you want me to show you how to do this, then let me know. Or if you want more makeup videos, more try on hauls, just let me know. I would love to do any of those videos. So yeah, I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.